There you are. Hey guys, it's Zach and welcome back to the shop. Today I'm actually joined with my buddy Josh here, and we finish up pretty much all the welding that's left on the Teardrop trailer, as well as building the drawer system for the I guess the cooktop, the Thetford cooktop, and we get a chance to paint it. So did I miss anything? Because we did a lot.
A lot of fabrication.
Well, you guys want to see how we did it? Stick around. All right, we're getting close here. Look at how close this is. It's a good thing I have a little bit of extra movement in this door. It's just not going to fit.
Sure it awaits.
All right, we're good. Alright, cool guys. Well, I hope you liked the progress so far. I tell you, that was actually a lot more work than I thought it was.
Yeah.
I mean, just from the
2 days.
2 days worth of work, and actually from the very beginning, we were like, this thing's not going to fit in the garage door, and I was just very adamant about having AC when we're doing this stuff.
Yeah. Less mosquitoes.
Exactly, less mosquitoes. So, it actually wouldn't even fit in the door with the fender wells, so we actually cut those off first. Yep. And it actually worked out better anyways, because when you go to skin it in the future, we actually want it as flat as possible on the sides, just makes it easier to skin in the future. So I'm going to remove those, or they're actually already gone, and I'll make gussets for them or some type of plates that we can bolt directly to the frame later, and I think that will handle that situation. And then you did a lot of welding.
Well, first we took the tires off so it fit under the door.
That is true. It barely fit under the door.
It squeaked under the door, and we were able to get it in on rollers. And then we finished up welding. You had already had the drawer designed.
Yep.
We just
did
had
that
to
in the
figure
last
out how
episode.
to hang it.
Yep.
So we got the hanger in.
Yep.
So
that was all done the first night. Actually, the first day we had all the stuff kind of mocked up, and that was it was a big win. The second day we basically just a lot of grinding, a lot of welding, and just finishing up all the odds and ends. Added 23 gussets.
23, yeah.
23 gussets, yeah.
Also, we added another support bar for the for your vent fan.
Oh, for the fan. Yep, we did.
And also that rear bumper piece we had to do.
Yep, and we basically took the rear bumper section. Is like a 2x2, and then we wrapped a 1x2 or 1x1 and a 1x1 on either side, and it really just kind of stiffened that whole section up. But I'm pretty excited. I mean, at this point, you know, after the paint and after the paint dries, it's ready to start doing some woodworking, and that's my favorite part. So.
Yeah, that'll go faster. Hopefully.
I don't know if it'll go any faster, but I'm pretty excited. So I think that's about it.
Yeah. I
really appreciate your help, and actually tell folks how they can find you.
I'm at Hide Behind Designs, _designs on Instagram.
Yep.
Just hanging out and playing with stuff.
Yeah, he's a welder fabricator in the North Carolina area. So if you need anybody, looking to do that kind of stuff, reach out to Josh.
Yep. Check out my page. See if you like anything. Do a little medieval weaponry.
Oh yeah, that's
medieval
right.
apocalyptic weaponry.
We'll have to make sure we put that in the teardrop somewhere.
Yeah, I'll get you one. I'll get you a special one.
Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Well, cool. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.
I would camp in it no matter what.
Yeah.
I would literally throw a tarp over it, put your little sofas in.
Honey, we're camping.
This is a horrible idea.